Are you ready to take your real estate marketing to new heights? Welcome to Money Manifest's ultimate guide to real estate marketing. Today, we're going to equip you with the tools and strategies you need to elevate your game and boost your results. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Know your target audience. Understanding who your ideal buyers or sellers are is crucial for effective marketing. Research their demographics, preferences, and behaviors. This knowledge will help you tailor your messaging and tactics to resonate with your target audience, making your marketing efforts laser-focused and impactful. Step 2. Embrace the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn offer tremendous opportunities to showcase your properties and build a strong online presence. Share stunning visuals, engage with your audience, and leverage the power of targeted advertising. Remember, social media isn't just for sharing cat videos. It's a goldmine for real estate marketing. Step 3. Optimize your website. Your website is your digital storefront, so it needs to shine. Make it user-friendly, visually appealing, and mobile responsive. Showcase your listings with high-quality photos, videos, and virtual tours. And don't forget to include clear calls to action that drive visitors to take the next step. A well-optimized website can be a game changer for your marketing strategy. Step 4. Network and collaborate. Building relationships with other professionals in the industry can amplify your marketing efforts. Partner with local businesses, influencers, and professionals like mortgage brokers or interior designers. Collaborative marketing can expand your reach and tap into new networks, opening doors to potential buyers and sellers you might not have reached otherwise. Step 5. Harness the power of email marketing. Building an email list of interested prospects allows you to nurture relationships and stay top of mind. Send engaging newsletters, market updates, and exclusive property previews. Personalize your emails to make recipients feel valued. Remember, your email subscribers are your VIPs, and keeping them engaged can lead to valuable connections. You've just unlocked the secrets to elevating your real estate marketing strategy. By knowing your audience, leveraging social media, optimizing your website, networking, and mastering email marketing, you'll be well on your way to boosting your results and standing out in a competitive market. Now it's time to put these strategies into action. Adapt them to your unique style, track your results, and continuously refine your approach. Stay committed, stay innovative, and watch your real estate business soar to new heights. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Money Manifest for more tips and insights to manifest your financial success. Happy marketing!